This is the corrections video for lesson 40. Make yours look like mine, making corrections and filling in blank answers with your red pencil. First one, it wants us to write in our counting. Okay, so the 16th note, or the 8th note here gets the 1 and the E, and this gets all of beat 2. Our 8th notes are going to get 3 and 4. You do not need to try and squish all like the 2 E and in there. You can just put in the counts that we would actually say. 1 and a 2, 3 and 4. Next measure, 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4. Next measure, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3, 4. Okay, so if we were to clap that, I'm just going to do it on dut. We'd have dut, dut, digga, digga, dut, dut, da, dut, digga, da, dut, dut, da, 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 digga, dut, da, digga, dut, digga, whoops, digga, da, da, da. Okay, number 2. Remember that there are 4 16th rests per 1 beat. This gets 1 beat, this gets 2 beats, this gets a half a beat, and this one gets 4 beats. So we're just going to multiply each of those numbers by 4 to give us how many 16th notes it is. So 4 16th notes, 8 16th notes, 2 16th notes, and D is going to be all 16 16th notes. All right, exercise number 3, it wants us to turn these 8th notes into 16th notes followed by 16th rests. So you're just going to add a second flag and a rest in between. Second flag, rest in between, second flag, rest in between, second flag, rest in between, second flag, rest in between. All right, number 4, write the counting in below the staff. We're going to do this one just like we did with number 1. Okay, but now we're in 2/4 time. So we're going to have 1 and 2 E and a 1, 2 and a 1 E and 2. Tika tika ta, ti ti tika tika ta, ti tika tika ti ta. Okay, complete the measures. We have 1 and, this quarter note gets 2 and then this quarter note gets 4 and. So we just have 3 and in the middle, and it wants us to use a rest. So 1 rest that gets 1 beat is going to be a quarter rest. Up next, this dotted quarter note gets 1 and 2. There's something missing right here. Then at the end of this measure, we're going to start just at the end and go backwards with our counting. This one will get 3 and. So what's missing here is just the and of 2. We need 1 rest that gets half a beat, an 8th rest. Okay, here we have a half note that gets 2 beats. We have 3 16th notes, which is 3/4 of a beat, and another 3 16th notes, which gives us 3/4 of a beat. They are each missing their 4th, and so we're going to put 16th rests in there, and we have 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and. And then lastly, we have a whole measure of rest, which is going to give us a whole rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, ensure that yours looks like mine and go ahead and submit your picture on Canvas.